I am Aqua WTI and I love these champagne flutes.
These are the Amazing Abbey Stella 8-ounce unbreakable champagne flutes. And you couldn't tell me these weren't glass. These look so much like glass, but they're plastic, but really giving an elegant look. So you can enjoy your champagne and your beverage without having to have that worry of delicate or something breaking. One of my very favorite things about these is that they can be packed. So you can take these on vacation with you and always have your champagne flutes with you. These are very sturdy flutes as well. They're not going to just fall over, but you can keep using these. You'll have these for a long time. I love them. I think they just really look nice. And another really cool thing is that they are unbreakable. I did a drop test and there's no cracks, no dents, no scratches, no nothing. Really awesome. So if you're looking for champagne flutes, definitely check these out. I really love them. I thought they were great and I would highly recommend. They are amazing and I hope you like them too.
And that's my point of view.